Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to present a productive project, how to make a simple water filter, using easy and accessible materials. My name is Ricardo Ballesteros Arvayo and my teammates are José Alberto Lopez, Parra, Gael Peña Lopez and Elian Serrano Metzger. This project is important because water is an essential resource for life. Sometimes water can contain visible impurities, and with this filter we can help improve its appearance in a basic way. If people learn this process, they can understand how to build a simple filter using common materials. In this video, we can only focus on how to build the filter step by step, explaining each material and its function.
First, let's talk about the materials we need. All of them are easy to find and not expensive. We use a plastic bowl, sand, small stones, cloth, charcoal, and cotton. Each material has an important function in the filter. The plastic bowl is the main structure. The cotton is placed at the bottom and helps block very small particles. The charcoal is very important because it works as a natural filter that absorbs some impurities. The sand helps filter smaller particles while the stones stop larger pieces of dirt. The cloth is used to keep all the materials in place and prevent them from moving. Before we start, we organize all the materials to have everything ready. If we place the materials in the correct order, the filter works better.
Now we are going to explain the procedure step by step. First, we cut the plastic bottle in half and use the top part as a filter. Then we place the cotton at the bottom because it's the last layer where the water passes. Next, we add a layer of charcoal on top of the cotton. This layer is very important in the process. After that, we put the sand on top of the charcoal. The sand helps filter small particles that pass through the previous layers. Then we add the small stones as the final layer to stop larger debris. Finally, we cover the top with cloth to keep everything in place. If we follow the steps correctly, this filter is built properly. This process is very simple, but each layer has an important rule.
Now I'm going to explain how the filter works. When water is filled at the top, it passes through different layers of material. Each layer has a specific function. First, the stones remove large particles like leaves and dirt. If water passes through the stones, it will remove big pieces of debris. Then the sand filters smaller particles and makes the water clearer. If the water goes through the sand, it will become clearer. After that, the charcoal helps reduce impurities and bad odors. If water passes through the charcoal, it will improve its smell and quality. This filter is a simple example of how natural materials can clean water. It is not a complex system, but it helps us understand how filtration works. If a person learns this progress, they will be able to build a basic water filter. However, if they can't save drink water, they will need other methods like boiling.
In conclusion, this project is simple, practical, and educational.
It helps us understand how to build a filter step by step.
If we follow the process correctly, the filter is built successfully.
Thanks for watching our video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.